Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Check CPU, RAM, storage, and firmware mode so the install won't fail midway. Once confirmed, back up your user data and copy your product key. This prevents activation delays. Next, create a bootable USB using Media Creation Tool or Rufus, choosing the correct architecture and UEFI setting. Make sure the target PC is set to boot from USB and BIOS. Once done, restart and boot the installer to start the Windows 10 Pro installation process immediately. You'll see the Windows setup screens. Select language and choose Custom Install to control partitions. When partitioning, delete old system partitions only if you have a backup, then create a small 500 MB recovery partition and a primary NTFS partition for Windows. Allocate remaining space for data or additional volumes. Once partitions are set, continue the install. Windows will copy files and reboot several times. Make sure to either skip network to set a local admin or connect and sign in with your Microsoft account to sync settings. Once Windows boots, install chipset and device drivers from the manufacturer to ensure stability, then run Windows Update repeatedly until no updates remain. Configure security. Enable BitLocker and save the recovery key. Set Windows Defender and privacy options to your preference. Activate Windows using your product key if needed. If you encounter problems, boot to safe mode to uninstall faulty drivers, run DISM and SFC to repair system files, or use System Restore. These steps will resolve most boot or activation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.